Well, this is an annual tournament, the World Karate Federation, cadets, juniors, and under 21, meaning the 14, 15, 16, 17 years old, and under 20, 18 to 20. So may mga weight categories siya, and then we have two kinds of competition, the kata and the kumite, which they will be competing in the kumite. It is the sparring.
Saan gagawin niya?
Sa Venice, in Italy.
Sa Venice, Italy pa?
Yes, yes.
Why Venice, Italy?
They're the host. Sila. Every year, nagpapalit. We're hosting the Youth League, World Youth League on 2026 naman, here in the Philippines.
Dito naman sila pupunta.
O, pakilala natin kung sino-sino itong mga kasamahan natin dito.
Sensei.
Introduce yourself.
Good afternoon po. Ako po si Ace Lanuel Pillar Bamartal. Ako po yung pinagkatiwalaan po ng Karate Pilipinas po na lumaro po sa minus 67 kilograms under 21 kumite po.
At sino itong mga kasama mo?
Yes.
Please introduce yourselves, guys.
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. Pick up the mic. It's okay.
Ako po si Sebastian Ilvi Manyalak, 15 years old and will represent Karate Pilipinas in minus 70 kilograms.
Yeah, you can lift the mic. Yeah. Yeah.
Ganda pala ni Neo to, no?
Oo nga, 15, no?
Sabay siguro ni Neo to.
Nung maliit pa.
Good afternoon po. Ako po si Ras Joshua Makaya, representing Karate Pilipinas po, minus 60 kilogram.
May kanya-kanyang weight division.
19 years old.
18.
18 naman.
My name is Brent Simon de Mojica po. 18 years old po and will represent Karate Pilipinas po sa category po na under 21 minus 84 po.
My name po is Zian Alexander M. Singh. I'm 15 years old and I'm representing Karate Pilipinas in juniors minus 61 kilograms.
Ang babata pa, pero mas bata pa sila nung nag-start sila sa'yo, no? Yeah. Oo, Richard. Ilang taon na sila noon nung nagsimula sila mag-train sa'yo?
Well, these kids are from different clubs and associations.
Yeah.
No? So, bali, meron galing sa ibang probinsya. No? So, iba-iba rin sila. Under my club, the AAK, which is in Ateneo, remember?
Correct.
So, siya yung tiga AAK. Sila naman from Cavite. Siya from Cebu.
Cebu, oo.
And then from Iligan. And then also from Cavite.
Wow.
Ito na yung buong team natin o marami pa? Na hindi
Well, we have a big team, no? But unfortunately, because of budget constraints, so we have to choose a certain number of players.
So sila lang yun?
Yes.
Since you mentioned budget constraints, mahal ba na mag-train ng athletes and actually bring them to Venice, Italy this coming for the competition?
Yeah, for an athlete, siguro you'll have to spend at least mga 200 to 250,000 per athlete.
All in na yun.
Yeah, ano na yun? Tipid.
Tipid factor na yun. Kasama na yung plane fare, board and lodging, everything that they need. What about their uniforms?
They have already their own. So, kaya nga, as I've said, tipid na ngayon kasi they have their own already. But if we're going to supply them with everything, it will be more.
Do you have sponsors already for them?
Well, may mga tumutulong, no? Kasi we're also under the Philippine Sports Commission since we're the national federation.
Yes.
But unfortunately, the PSC can only sponsor the senior team. Kasi nga, this is the PSC mandate is to sponsor the senior team. They're in the junior team. So we have to find private sponsors to the point that they even spend their own money para panggastos for this.
What happens kung di ma-raise yung funding for each and every athlete?
Well, that is the technicality about it. No? Pag di na-raise, wala talaga. We cannot do anything about it. We're not like basketball or volleyball that we can easily find sponsors. No. So we just recently hosted the Asian Juniors Karate Federation Championships in Ultra, in the old Field Sports Arena. So we managed to have 32 countries to come over in the Philippines, and then they were representing the Philippines during that time. So now they're going to the world stage, which is the World Championships.
And they're the best of the best sa batch nila and weight division nila.
Yes, more or less. That's why they're here.
Yeah.
Because they were chosen.
Sana may mga nanonood sa atin ngayon, no, Papu, na nasusuporta sa mga atleta tulad nila. How can our viewers help support them?
Well, you can contact us through our FB page na lang. It's easier, no? Karate Pilipinas Sports Federation.
Yeah.
when we say na wala kaming support with
Yeah.
this,
Oo.
it's not about the government or the Philippine Sports Commission is not helping.
Oo.
They are helping a lot actually, but the mandate, because of the mandate,
Yeah.
hindi sila masuportahan because of this.
Oh.
So, kasi nga dahil ang kailangan yung seniors lang,
Senior.
priority
Junior
yun.
sila
Oo.
Oo.
So, yun yung technicality doon. But when it comes to like travel tax
Yeah.
exemption, yung mga ganun ba, natutulungan naman kami. Oo.
Ace, gusto mong manawagan. Pero bago manawagan si Ace, paano nabago ng buhay mo ang sport na ito?
Natuto po ako ng mga disiplina po sa sarili po. Like time management po and yung pagpapahalaga po sa health ko po. And hindi po yung puro pa-cellphone lang po na
Iba ang disiplina kasi
Correct,
ng athlete
correct.
no? Hindi puro TikTok,
Opo.
Facebook, social media,
Opo.
ganon.
So lahat ba sila ay kulang din sa budget pagdating sa
Well,
pagkakaroon? Lahat sila?
naghanap sila ng kanilang individual sponsors, but na syempre kulang, but I think the parents are also helping.
Raising funds,
to
no?
raise funds. No? So far, their visas are getting released already. Nakapag-book na sila ng plane fare nila. The hotels,
Nakuha na yung visa, meron na sila.
to be released.
To be released.
This
okay.
week, this week.
Nakapag-book na sila sa...
Yeah. Kasi
sa
when
hotels.
you apply for a visa, kailangan meron ka ng
Oh, true.
itinerary, you have the hotel booking. So, kompleto na naman. Nagawa na namin lahat.
So, more of incidentals na lang.
Yes,
Mga
yes.
pagkain, hotel,
yeah.
accommodation,
Yes, correct.
and all.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Ayun, kailangan talaga nila yun, no?
Yeah.
So, talagang struggle is real.
The struggle is real. But we have to support kasi mga athletes
Tulungan natin sila, no?
Yeah.
Again, kung gusto niyo mag-donate sa kanila, again, Richard, paano ba?
You can contact us through our FB page, Karate Pilipinas Sports Federation. So, if you want to channel it through us, pwede rin. But if you want to channel it through the athletes themselves, you can contact us as well, and then we can forward you their details. No?